I want to advise most of my viewers or the subscribers and those who are YouTube creator or who want to be a YouTube creator. So there are things that you are doing wrong. Especially right now, you are focusing on getting subscribers. Subscribers without videos is nothing. What you have to focus on is to upload or create a good quality video, and then you upload it. And if you are uploading one video per day, this will help your channel. But if you are uploading one video per week or every 3 days, this is a problem, because nobody will get your videos. So if you are consistent all the time, you are uploading a new videos, 3 or 4 or 5 videos per day, it is much that you will reach out to more audience. People will follow you. I will not advise you to look for subscribers, because you can get the subscribers from YouTube Shorts, from using other application. Self for self, you can get them, but these are not effective. They will not make your YouTube channel to grow. They will demote your channel. They will degrade your channel. So what I will suggest you today is to be consistent and upload more videos every day. So do not look for subscribers, just upload more videos, because the most important part is getting watch hour, not the subscribers. You can have more subscribers. Like right now, I have more subscribers. I have 5,000 subscribers on my other YouTube channel, which is a gaming channel. But these people, they are not watching my videos. The reason is because the video which I got this 5,000 subscribers for is a short video. A video that only 5 seconds. And then I just got lucky, I get 5,000 subscribers. So what is important here, when I try to upload more videos on my channel, like now I'm always uploading game videos, I'm not getting the watch hour. Why? It's because these people who have already subscribed to my channel, they are not my actual subscribers. They were there for that very short video which I uploaded, not for what I'm doing. So it means that the same goes to you. If you want your YouTube to grow, make a long videos, horizontal videos, not vertical, because vertical is short video. And in short video, even if you have 1 million watch hour or 1 million viewers, what you are going to gain on that are the subscribers, not the watch hour. So I want you to focus on uploading longer video and focus on watch hour, not subscribers. Subscribers cannot help you, but watch hour will help you. And remember, as long as you are reaching out to your watch hour, your subscriber will keep on increasing. So keep it in mind. They grow together. This is a very important thing that you have to put in mind. And if you have a pen also, you can jot them down or write them down. They will help you while you are growing your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe or comment and tell me more about what you want to do.